Blizzard 2013 Cupola report. The storm windows are all frozen shut, so I can't open them up and get the sights and sounds as good. And you'll have to look through the little bit of ice crystals that are on the windows, but you can see the trees are moving pretty good out there. It's still pretty windy. It's stopped snowing. And I think if you look here in the distance, you can see the waves. They're pretty good, and it's not even close to high tide at all. I had considered coming up this morning, and it was just like, I thought I'd wait a little bit, but so far so good. Let me take you over around to the other front corner here. See our neighbors' houses and more ocean over there. We got quite a bit of snow, but it's also been drifting. So there are patches where there's no snow, and there's other patches that are like thigh and waist deep. It's crazy. That's the mill pond over across the street, across King Street. You can see the steeple of the Congregational Church and the Unitarian Church. It certainly is a lot warmer doing a cupola report this way. I think you can probably hear the wind a little bit. We're fortunate, our power came back about 3:30, so we're starting to warm back up again. Those waves look pretty ferocious. Glad I'm not out there anywhere. Well, this is Cupola Report 2013 Blizzard, and catch y'all later. Stay safe and warm. Bye.